Yes, you read that right. They're gone. They're all gone. Welcome back everyone, this is Vlogs of an Idol, my name is Joen. So I haven't posted a video for 3 weeks now because sabi ko nga doon sa Twitter account ko, I will be grinding my ass off to buy a new phone. So yeah, I sold all of my Funko Pops to buy this. Wait, this one. Nakita niyo, notes ko yun, huwag niyong pansinin. Kasi wala nang pipigil sa katangahan at kawalang konsiderasyon ng mga namamahala sa sistema ng edukasyon dito sa bansa natin. I mean, clearly aware sila na they're not capable to pull this dumb shit off. You can probably see on the internet the actual flaws and their incompetence about this type of learning method. Well, ano ba magagawa natin? They're being run by a person who thinks military personnel should handle our Philippines' health insurance, and kissing the floor could really mean something to a death of someone. Kaya yun, nilamon na lang ako ng anxiety. Kasi for the past 3 weeks, I have no personal phone. Do you know how hard that is? Having no access to the internet wherein you live in a society solely relying to it. Ginagawa ko, naghahati lang kami ng kapatid ko doon sa cellphone niya, sa paggamit. Kapag palobat na yung phone niya, ako na yung gagamit. Kaya yun. So, spend most of the time doing chores and just laying off, listening to music, with my Cherry Mobile P1 with the Me Zone linked on. You know, thinking on what could be happening right now if there is no COVID or hindi ko sinama yung phone ko sa CR. At di siya nabasa. So yeah, I decided to sell all of my pops that I got from giveaways and the ones that I actually bought. It was really not that hard at first. I mean, some of my pops are really top on the market. Like yung Nightcrawler na shared exclusive that was really booming sa mga collectors ng Funko Pops. Mabilis ko lang siya nabenta for a reasonable price. Others took me to decrease the prices para lang mabenta ko na sila at makabili na ako ng phone. Kasi naging atat na ako eh. Naatat na talaga ako makabili ng phone. I will be doing a review on this phone. Syempre kasi bago siya sa akin. Alam niyo naman ang gawain natin dito sa channel na to. Kapag may bago akong tech, syempre rekta content na rin yan. I'm gonna tell you my experience and honest opinions about the Huawei Nova 5T. Yes, Huawei Nova 5T binili ko. Yeah, umabot din yung pera. Actually, I got help from my friends at Discord at nangutang rin ako sa kapamilya ko para lang mabili ko tong phone na to kasi I decided to buy this para maging medyo future-proof na siya. I mean, wala pa siyang 5G pero asa naman tayo magkaka 5G na malawakan dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? And ayun, flagship specs. So, I hope tatagal siya sa atin. I wish na tatagal siya sa atin kasi I can't afford to buy a new phone na naman. Yeah. Well, actually, I didn't sold all of my pops. As you can see, meron pa akong dalawang pops here. Ayan. Si Thanos and si Iron Man. Hindi ko na sila binenta kasi nahirapan ako ibalik sa box si Iron Man. Plano ko talaga sila ibenta pero di na kasi nga hindi ko siya mabalik sa box. Kasi yung gauntlet niya, meron pa siyang plastic cover at di ko siya mabalik. And I think hindi na nag-fit si Iron Man dun sa plastic case niya. So ayan, magka-line naman sila. At siguro, kung sakaling babalik ako sa pagko-collect ulit ng Funko Pops, ayan, streamlined na yung kokolektahin ko. Now, I want to talk about something that really disturbed me since I've started collecting Funko Pops. Of course, when you're starting to collect something, you want to gather information about it, diba? You want to join communities, you want to read articles, etc. Yung mga ganun. So, I joined a couple of communities on FB. I will not be naming the groups na kasi some of them are really sensitive. At baka kung ano pa masabi ko dito sa video na to masamain na naman nila, mga tanga kasi. Now, napansin ko lang na sobrang elitist ng ibang mga collectors. Like to the point na they choose persons to be friends with, and I could sense na nang mamata sila ng mga kapwa collectors nila. And also, some of them are self-centric. Like, gusto lang nila pag-usapan sa communities yung mga sarili nila. Like, gusto nila sila lagi yung bida, sila lang yung papanigan. And if your views don't match with theirs, they'll condemn you like you did the crime. Pansin ko din na sobrang taas ng tingin ng mga ibang collectors sa sarili nila. Preaching about good vibes pero ang sasama naman ng mga ugali at sobrang ma-attitude ng ilan. Half class full my ass, you toxic positivity piece of shit. Nakakatawa pa na akala nila their acts are like acts of God na dapat sundin ng iba. Now I'm being careful not generalizing the whole community kasi ayoko makabasa sa comment section ng mga katulad ng ganito. Uy Joe, wag mo naman lahat Joe, di naman lahat ng ganyan. Baka naman yung mga nakaaway mo lang. Ba't mo kasi tinira yung Comic Odyssey? Kaya ganyan sila sa'yo kasi ganyan ka din sa kanila. Kung magko-comment ka ng ganyan, make sure you finish the video you low life piece of fuck. Also, here's the icing to the cupcake. There's this group called Funko Reklamo. Yeah, the only group that I'll be naming kasi this group is so fucking retarded. So in this group, dito nila nire-release yung mga reklamo nila towards sa mga kapwa Funko collectors nila. Meaning, sa Funko community rin sila mismo nagre-reklamo. Can't you see the hypocrisy to that? A group made to whine about the community itself. So aware sila. Aware naman sila. At ito pa, yung mga nagre-reklamo sa group nito, mostly sila rin yung mga elitista at yung mga matataas ang tingin sa sarili. Di ba mga hipokrito? And they're mad at me for having straight up opinions? Kasi I got posted to this group. Caption ng post is something like, bakit may umiiyak pa rin sa mystery boxes? Ito piso pang content mo. Not specifically like that, pero parang ganun. Like, god damn. Di talaga nila gets. It's for fucking content. I was acting that way for content. Sure, some of the sentiments were real, but who wouldn't get disappointed getting that piece of shit witch. Now, if you think my content is harmful, disturbing, or against on what you believe in, then don't fucking watch it. You could leave a dislike or comment. Hehe, just kidding. Fuck off. I turned off the comment section. But do you really have to publicly shame me for doing a content that is real for me? I mean, gumawa ba ako ng krimen? Pumatay ba ako ng tao? Di naman ako umabot sa level ni Buknoy, di ba? Or did I? All I did was have my feedback towards the product, which is a given right to me by Shopee. It says here to rate. Shopee says rate the product that I bought right there. Yes. Now, I really shouldn't be talking about the video na kasi it's long past gone. I just want to inform the starting collectors to be careful on joining communities like that kasi, I mean, it's so toxic. Do you really need that kind of toxicity sa mga nangyayari ngayon? I mean, toxic na nga yung government eh. Bakit ka pa makikisama sa mga toxic na... Some are shit talaga, but some will definitely help you along the way. Speaking of someone that will help you along the way, I would like to thank my friends on Discord for helping me I mean, para makamit ko tong phone na to kasi nag-abuloy eh. Nagkaroon ng abuluyan. Inabuluyan nila ako ng pera para ma-reach ko tong price point na to. We haven't met in real life, pero ayun, I really appreciate the help. It just proves na there are really people who could help you even though they don't know you all throughout your life. Mga ganun sentiments. Basta ayun, I really would like to thank them for that. Kasi ayun, they somehow saved me from this pandemic na din. Kasi ayun nga, I was really, nawawala na ako sa isipan ko nun eh. Nang 3 weeks na wala akong phone. And ayun, now that I have a phone, medyo ganun pa din naman. But, ayun, right now, ito, gumagawa na ulit ako ng video. Balik na tayo sa paggawa ng content. Ayun, this video is just me whining about my life and how the 3 weeks went for me. And actually, I'm pretty happy with the decision of selling selling the majority of my Funko Pops to buy this. I mean, I preferred spending for actual necessity than casual spending, di ba? At times like this, really, I'm not saying that you shouldn't collect Funko Pops. I'm just saying na at times like this, parang it's not timely eh. You should focus on necessity first than buying pops that you display like this, pang backdrop lang. Pero ayun, it's still fun. I will never forget the happiness that I felt on getting my very first Funko Pop kasi, syempre, you know, pangarap ko pa rin naman magkaroon ng ganyan and to start collecting my own. In fact, you can actually watch my first video ever getting a Funko Pop right here. Dito na. I know na. Alam ko na kung nasan yung, hindi na ako nalito. Now, if you may ask, Joen, would you still be doing Funko Pop content every Fridays? I don't know. Pag may pera, syempre, alam nyo naman kung paano gumagalaw tong channel na to. Pag may pera tayo, may pang-content tayo. Yun lang naman yan. Or if may nag-sponsor, come on, anyone? Wala ba bang gusto mag-sponsor sa akin? Google Pixel. Alam mo, top pick kita na bininsa ng cellphone pero your battery suck and I will be using this for online classes so I will need every battery that I will get. Ayun, I have a lot of tech stuff coming. I will be unboxing a new earbuds that I got from Gadget Hunter PH kasi nanalo ako sa giveaway nila. Be sure to check that out. So ayun, I will be doing more tech stuff right now kasi I have to pay rin my family. Kailangan ko pang bayaran yung ate ko kasi nangutang rin ako sa kanya para mabili ito. Syempre, the risks. Mga risks na kailangan mo i-take para, yung mga risks sa investments na kailangan mo i-take, kailangan talaga yan. Ganyan talaga. Anyway, that's it for the video. Thank you for being with me along the way. Sa mga nagsusubscribe pa rin kahit hindi ako nag-upload, maraming salamat sa inyo. And yun lang, if you do like the content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification notification. Hindi na ako sanay. Wait, nawala na sa system ko yung paggawa ng videos eh. Ayun na ulit. If you do like the content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get updated on every uploads that I make. I do it weekly. Yun guys, let's go. I hope magawa ko na yung video. Makagawa pa ako ng video before uploading it kasi ganun yung way ko ng pag-upload. I do a video, then I will schedule it na parang days after I uploaded it. Basta ganun. Basta ganun function. And I really wish na ma-reach na natin yung 1K. I forgot to mention that the Halo GT1 XR giveaway is still ongoing. So be sure to check that out. Andito ulit yung video na yan. Dito lang, ayan, oh. Ayan, lalabas yun dyan. Yun, guys. Yun lang. See you sa next video. Bye-bye!